Welcome to our new series of Vlookup. Today we are going to learn about ways of using Vlookup in multiple ways. So you need to visit Mokaru to download any dummy data to practice on in case you do not have the actual data. Okay. So I've taken seven columns and the relevant data. This is how it look like. And here are the headers. This is a drop down with all the names of the first name. So if you select the first name, here we should get the relevant details of that person. Vlookup, a simple Vlookup, okay, comma, select the range and the desired column number, and that's it. Okay, again do a control R. Control R is a shortcut to drag the value from the adjacent column towards the right. Okay, and then go to the column index number and change it to again copy the formula, paste it here, and then change the relevant details. Okay, so is equal to Vlookup. Okay, Vlookup, select the lookup cell, press F4, $sign before the column and the row reference. Press the F4 button one more time. It would place the $sign. You copy the formula and paste it in another cell. Column would keep on changing and the row number would be constant. Okay, and we need to press F4 one more time. So here the column would be freeze and the row would keep on changing. When you drag the formula vertically, it would automatically change the reference. However, it would freeze the column reference. Okay, here we need the column reference to be freeze. That's why the next step is comma. Now it's asking to select the table array. Our table array is from the first name to end of the table, comma, the desired output. So that is 2, 0. Okay. Freeze the table array also. That would do by pressing F4 button. Okay. Drag the formula, Control R. I am using shortcut to drag the formula as Control R. It had copied the same formula across all the cells. Change the reference to 3, change it to 4, change it to 5, so on and so forth. Okay. So this is how it is changing. Now let's check if our formula is working. We select Darren. Okay, so it has given details of Darren in the lookup reference. There is one more method of doing is equal to Vlookup. Select the reference cell, press F4, comma, select the table reference. Okay, freeze the table reference as well, comma, open a curly bracket, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5 and comma 6. Close the curly bracket, close the Vlookup. 0 is a default value for false value, so it would check for exact reference of the Vlookup. Press enter. So in a single formula it has given all the desired output in a single formula. You do not have to do a Control R and change this cell references. Okay, now let's check if our formula is working. If you select header, so details of header are being populated. There is one more way of doing. In case the headers are same, is equal to Vlookup, our lookup value, press F4 to freeze the cell, select the table array, freeze the table, comma. Now there is a combination of Vlookup along with match formula in case the headers are same. So what we are going to search is C1. C1 is, now let's freeze the C1 as well. Here we want to freeze the row and not the column. That's why $sign is before the row number. Okay. Comma, where we need to match this lookup value, header values or the column headers. select the lookup reference, again freeze it, comma 0 is to lookup default value, comma, now close the vlookup ka default value, bracket close, enter. Okay, so now here if you have to do a simple control R, so it would give me the desired output in a single form vlookup formula. Now let's check. Is it Foncia? Is a mail from Poland, and the relevant details are exactly matching. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Like and subscribe to my channel and videos. Thank you.